Hello, thanks for tuning in. This is a tutorial for how to make an origami butterfly. This video was recorded for Pasadena Public Library by Youth Intern Marshall. My name is Jane and I will be narrating the tutorial. First, start with a square piece of paper and crease the paper horizontally, vertically, and diagonally on all corners. Next, bring two sides of the square to meet in the bottom side of the square, forming a triangle. Bring one corner of the triangle to the opposite corner and fold. Bring one of the corners in the new triangle to the bottom corner to fold. Open this folded corner to bring it on end and fold it down. This should form a square, and then fold the two opposite ends of the corners to the square to center and crease. Open this crease and fold the sides inward, creating the diamond shape. Then fold the top of that down and fold this new shape to its side. Take the two flaps of the paper and fold it down, forming the wings of the butterfly. Repeat the step on the other side. Take the fold that looks like a beak and fold it in the other direction and press down. Lift up both sides of the wings and fold it so that it creates a body for the butterfly. Bring the two outermost flaps of the wings and fold it towards the beak. Then add a few more folds to the wings to give it that gentle wing curve. And repeat your folds on the other side. Now you have a butterfly. An optional step is to make a few gentle creases around the sides to make it look more lively. If you pull on the tail of the butterfly while holding its body, it should flap the wings.